Let's start with one of our oldest projects, the Wolverine claws. Sounded pretty good. The probability of me breaking my hand is actually pretty high. So I'm gonna put this down here. Now here's a fun one, Psylocke's sword. What? Now who could forget our Captain America shield? Alright, see how Thor's hammer does. Honestly, probably one of the coolest things I've made so far. The Kingsman umbrella. Screwed the pumpkin down. We didn't see it. And of course, the chainsaw. Batman's grappling hook gun. Woo! Of course, one of our most recent projects, the red hot rebar crossbow. Right through the other side. Like we said in that video, red hot ammunition just isn't practical. It literally bends on impact. Though, if you were to stick it through a person, sorry, a zombie, or an alien, not a person, and it bent, you wouldn't be able to get it out, and it would be like searing everything on the inside. Yeah, you wouldn't have a good day. How about our Reinhardt rocket hammer? Now for this test, we're not going to be putting rockets in the back just because we are inside the garage. That would probably be a bad idea. Man, this thing feels light compared to Thor. Alright, so as you saw, most of the Hacksmith weapons were pretty darn effective against pumpkins. But you know what would be really effective against a pumpkin? An airbag.